Summer's here, and as you're changing from blankets to banyans, your body is also going through a change. Sore throat, allergies, blocked nose, and maybe fever spikes. Even my clients have been saying, Ryan, my throat feels like sandpaper. Do I take any meds or just cry? And I tell them, no drama, just Chukku Coffee. What's that, you ask? It's not your fancy cold brew. It's South India's original immunity shot. And you don't have to find a spice baba in Kerala to get it. You'll find it in your own kitchen. Go make it yourself and brew a cup whenever your throat starts irritating.